Hi guys! Welcome to my new vlog. By the way, it's so nice to be back. I'm feeling good right now, so I'm here in front of you. Anyway, this is actually our last house construction update before the house tour in the near future. Today, we will tour you around together with our architect Ivan Barry. Okay, so let's get inside. By the way guys, our house construction as of today is 80% finished. Okay, so our architect will discuss further on the actual status ng construction. Okay, so he is with us right now. Go Ben.
As of now, we're working on the electrical for the ceiling, lighting, outlets. As you can see, some part of our ceiling is open. And then that's for the electrical work. For the painting works, we're doing the polishing and the preparation of painting on the wall. As you can see on the area, there are some personnel working on the wall for the painting. And then for the tiling, for the ground floor, it's already done, 80% done. So sa second floor, subdananan pa. And then for this view, as you can see, this is the dining area.
Sila ka square meters?
50 square meter for the dining and the living area. And then for the ceiling, this is our design for the ceiling. Actually, it's very simple. There's a groove on the side. We have the pocket curtain with strip lighting for accent lighting. And then on the center, we have the open to below, which has a railing for the protection. And then above, in the future, you can see here the chandelier installed.
My beautiful chandelier.
And then this is the view on the porch area, the main entrance. And then here, the kitchen area, the main kitchen.
By the way, this is the dining area. Okay, so as you can see, the ceiling in our living is so plain and simple. Here, we have a design, but still, it's very simple. This one, it's only 8 seaters. Kasi pag 10 seaters daw kami, so mahirapan na daw kami makakuha ng center sa pendant light pag mag 10 seaters. Beside the dining area is the lanai. Lanai is here. So sa lanai guys, i-claim ko na to. This is my future working area. So here talaga it's natural lighting and well ventilated. Now, pakahangin dito. Masarap to work. Okay, so here, this is the kitchen. Okay? In this particular area, guys, this is where the peninsula is located. Okay? So, this is the artist tradition. Na kuan lang siya, one-liner ng mga teacups ko, mga collection ko ng teacups. Okay, so ilagay ko siya dito. Si Ivan na, yung architect na namin ang mag-discuss.
On this area will be the ref, and then beside it is the oven, and then here is the cooktop location. Then on the in front of the window will be the sink, and then above will be the overhead cabinet area. And then on this side, this is the pantry. This is the location of the pantry. And then beside the pantry is the...
Here, the maid's quarter. So it's kind of small, but importante lang talaga siya. Well ventilated din siya. And of course, meron siyang natural lighting. And here, this is the common toilet and bath. Here. Hi Rico. So Rico guys is our electrician. And here, this is the guest room. I also love the spot here kasi talagang mahangin siya. So that's the good thing of having a modern contemporary design kasi windows are really big, doors are really big. So I think we're done in the ground floor. Let's go up. So here pala guys, dito ko, this coming December, dito ko ilagay ang aking Christmas tree. Okay, kaya nagpalagay ako ng outlet dito. And here, this is the, before going up, I will show you to our powder room. Okay, so meron tayong worker dito. Hello, Dong! Okay, painter yun. So they are doing the skin coating. Tama? So this is the stairs and going up. So as you can see, hindi pa tapos yung railing. So in going up, there are 19 steps. Okay, let's go up. So guys, mga workers na mo are my kababayan. They are from Dumanhog. Oh, kaway-kaway. So this is Regan. So ito yung head painter natin. So kumusta Regan?
Okay lang po.
Okay lang. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Si Manoy, yung papa. Joseph, hi Joseph.
Sino ma'am?
Bawal nila sa papa. Actually, yung architect namin, meron siyang i-discuss further about this area. So here, let's go up para we can visualize clearly.
So this is our main stair. As you can see, we have a B window. Actually, it's a high window there. It's stretched from the landing going to doon lang siya sa ceiling. And then here, sa atong lighting ani, we decided to change it from downlight to wall lamp. Both sides. We have 6 wall lamp para na siya accent lighting. 3 both sides. On the steps, we're using a wood step thread with every 3 steps na siya strip lighting. So in the future, after ane makita nimo na siya ma-emphasize ang imuhang design sa imuhang kuan flooring, which is the wood. Once mausiga na to imong strip light, and then it's also very functional kay during evening kung munaog ka, no need na nimo ipasigaon ng imong ambient light using only the
Step light.
yeah, but we're using the strip LED strip lighting.
So actually guys, this is the artist rendition of the stairs. Okay? So pinakalas na ang master bedroom. So this is the open to below. Na-mention ito kanina. This is where I'm going to put my beautiful grand chandelier is here. Okay, so this is my eldest daughter's room. So meron na siyang drainage, and this is her workplace area.
So actually here, on the view will be the closet, and then on this side will be the bed with bedside table, and then on the ceiling we have a pendant light. Access to the door will be the access to the entertainment area, and then this is the window side, which can be seen on the facade, front facade of the house. This area will be the table, a working desk with storage. On the upper side, like the ceiling, will be the pocket curtain with strip lighting.
So you really cannot see here guys, the curtain rod.
Yeah.
Tama. So talagang yung architect namin, he made sure na merong space kung saan hindi makita ang curtain rod.
Yeah, para
Clean
limited.
and elegant. So this area, this is the entertainment room. Okay, so we will be putting a mini theater here. This portion below.
Yeah.
Here. So the couch will be here. And then there will be 2 beanbags.
The entertainment area, mo ni siya ang location. Na din ang iyamuhang TV stand with kato ang LED TV. But on the back part, as you can see, the railing man na to, atong railing. There will be a partition from floor to the ceiling na glass kay yung entertainment area is kuan man air condition, so you can close on this view. There will be a sliding glass door going to the partition.
Just to visualize. So here, this is the sliding door. So papunta dito. Tama, Ben? Okay, but of course, para hindi naman matamaan yung TV, we have a stopper somewhere here. Okay, so this is the hallway going to the next room. So this is the room of our youngest daughter, Adriana. So here, the bed is here, and then study area is here. And then there will be shelves here for her collection. And of course, she has only one window. But of course, there will be natural lighting coming in and well ventilated naman. Okay, yung ceiling niya hindi pa tapos. Okay. Next is hello. Oh my God.
Hi.
Hello vlog.
Hello day.
Okay. So, of all the 3 rooms ng mga anak ko, ito yung pinaka merong magandang view. It has 2 views. Okay. The bed is here, somewhere here. Ito yung headboard niya. So, this is the room of our only son, si Choi Choi. So, ito yung study area niya. And here guys, kasi lang pang damba. So the cabinet is somewhere there.